Have you ever heard of a website called Google? It's one of the world's biggest tech companies these days, and pretty much everyone relies on them as a search engine. I mean, I know that I use Google every day at least once. I bet that you didn't know that with the help of Google, you could actually score over $200 in just minutes. I'm going to show you a website that, when partnered with Google, can have you earning hundreds of dollars in a jiffy. This is a really cool trick that you can do over and over again to score lots of money. This platform pays through many payment methods like Payoneer, Bitcoin, PayPal, Skrill, bank transfers, you name it. Plus, this is a platform that is available from anywhere in the world. No matter what country you happen to be in, this is a method that you can use. I'm going to show you how to sign up for a free account and teach you all of the ins and outs so that you can max out your earnings. You'll even get a bonus just for signing up, so I'm going to show you how you can get that too. I'm going to walk you through everything start to finish and help you become a millionaire in no time. I'm also going to show you a Google hack that's going to help you earn more money than everyone else. So if you want to learn how all of it works, you're going to want to keep listening. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Wolf, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Before we really dive in, take a look at this right here. You can see that people are actually getting paid through this site. Pretty legit, right? There are people from all over the world cashing out every single minute, and this could be you too if you follow my step-by-step guide. If you want to see all of this, then on the homepage of this site, you're just going to smash this button, and it's going to show you a page that shows you real-time cash outs. Anyways, how this works is you open up a window, shorten a link, share your shortened link to get clicks, and get paid for every single click that your link gets. This method can have you making hundreds of dollars in a matter of minutes. Now, to sign up for a completely free account, you're going to want to hit this button right over here. Once you do that, you're just going to fill in all of this information that's asking for, and then once your account is up and running, then you should have earned $1 as a bonus. As soon as this right here shows that you've earned at least $5, then you can start cashing out your money. They do pay out daily through so many payment platforms, which is great. People from anywhere can do this as long as you have internet and some sort of device that can connect to it. So the very first thing that you're going to do is look for a specific type of YouTube video. Once you have your YouTube video, then you can come to this box, paste the URL of the video into the box, shorten the link, and then share the shortened link to make money for every single click. You're going to be sharing the shortened link on a special platform, so even if you don't have a huge social media following, this is still something that you can do. I'm going to show you exactly how all of this works in a bit. Anyways, if you take a look right here, they actually show you how much you can earn from clicks, and as you can see, clicks from certain countries can actually help you score more money. Let's take Greenland, for example. As you can see, the rate for them is a bit higher than the other ones. Some other countries like the US also pay higher as well. This is why the Google trick that I'm going to teach you actually comes in super handy. Now, you're probably wondering what kind of links you're going to be shortening, and to get started doing that, you're going to want to open up a tab or a window with youtube.com. Now, you want to be sure to do as I say, because if you pick a bad video, you could actually miss out on earning hundreds more than everyone else. After you find the right video, you're going to shorten the link right here on this site. You're going to share the link with the help of Google, and then you can start earning money. How's the video so far? Have you learned something new? Well, if you like this kind of content and have found this video helpful so far, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more money-making tutorials. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what other money-making methods you want me to create a tutorial for, and hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload new videos. Alright, so you're probably wondering, what kind of videos am I looking for? So right here in the search bar, you're going to want to type in weight loss. There are a lot of people interested in this topic or anything health related, so these are the types of videos that you're going to be looking for. Now that you have weight loss typed in, you're actually going to want to click on this right here, which is the filter icon, and then you're going to want to click on this week, which is going to end up showing the most popular videos of the week in the top search results. You're going to want to find the hottest or most popular videos out of these videos down here. I think I'm going to go with this one right here. Now that I have it open, I'm going to go ahead and copy the URL at the very top of the page because this is the link that I'm going to want to shorten. Now you're going to want to open up a window and go to shrinkme.io. This site basically shortens URLs and then pays you for clicks because they display ads before directing the clicker to what they're actually looking for. With this website and Google working together, you can make hundreds in minutes. Now that you have shrinkme.io open, you're going to want to paste that link right here, and then you can hit this button and watch the magic happen. Ta-da! You have a shortened link. This is what you're going to share to get clicks and make money. You're just going to want to highlight the shortened link and copy it because you're going to need it later. Are you done? Good. Now we're going to go into this Google trick. So of course you're going to want to open up, you guessed it, google.com. Once you're there, you're going to want to look for weight loss forums in the search bar. As you can see, there are hundreds of results. People like joining these forums so that they can learn more about weight loss and they can find new tips and tricks on how to lose weight. That makes this an ideal place to share your link because everyone on here wants to know how to lose weight. So to post on here, you need to create a free account. Now, these forums aren't based in a specific country, and obviously there are some countries that you're going to want more clicks from, so stay with me until the end of the video to find out how I'm able to get clicks from Greenland and score more cash. Alright, let's get back into this forum right here. So I want you to sign up for this forum, and to do that, you're going to click to register for free. After I do that and I have my account up and running, I can actually go ahead and share my link right here on the forum. Oh, and a tip would be to use an alias just to make things less complicated. You can now do this on as many forums as you want and start collecting clicks so that you can start making money. Now that you've gone through that and know how to share your link, you're probably wondering how you're going to get clicks from Greenland. Well, to do that, you're going to need to adjust the search settings on Google right here. You just click on the Advanced Settings button and then select a region like Greenland, for example. Are you done? Now your search results should all be in Greenland, so you can post your link on all of these forums and score lots more money than just randomly posting. So you can just choose a forum, sign up for free, and then share your link. You can do this over and over and over again and make hundreds more than everyone else. Now you're going to notice that your search results are limited, but you can do this for other higher paying countries like the US. You can keep sharing your link wherever you want to, and once you start getting clicks, then you can start making money. You can also go back over to YouTube and look for more videos that you can share. You can do this with any shortened link that you have. Just adjust the advanced settings and choose certain regions that you want to focus on so that you can make lots of money. You can also share your shortened links on social media. You can look for groups that talk about weight loss and stuff like that, and then share your link in the comment section of certain posts. You can share your shortened links wherever you want and make tons of cash in no time. Anywho, that's the Google trick that I have for you today. I hope you've learned something. Before I go, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you are the first to know when I have a new video. You can also check out some of my previous videos for more money-making platforms. Let me know in the comments down below what other platforms you want to learn about. See you in my next video!